Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Error 52 on your Thermomix TM31 can be frustrating, but with the right tools and guidance, you can address this issue effectively. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety. Next, remove the jug from the base. Inspect the jug for any visible damage, such as cracks or warping, which could be causing the error. If the jug appears intact, the issue may lie within the base unit itself. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off to expose the internal components. Carefully inspect the wiring and connections inside. Look for any loose or damaged wires that could be causing the error. If you notice any issues, it may be best to consult a professional. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transport. Next, check the jug connector inside the base. This is a common point of failure. Ensure that it is clean and free from debris. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the area, ensuring a good connection when the jug is reattached. After cleaning, reassemble the base cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightened adequately to avoid any rattling or further issues. Once reassembled, plug your Thermomix back in and test it with the jug attached. If the error persists, it may indicate a deeper issue with the internal components. In such cases, we recommend obtaining a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs involved without any obligation. If you're still encountering problems, consider reaching out to us for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is equipped to handle these issues efficiently, ensuring your Thermomix is functioning as it should. In summary, addressing Error 52 involves checking the jug for damage, inspecting internal connections, and ensuring everything is clean and secure. If you follow these steps and still face difficulties, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Remember, we provide no calls, no travel services, making it easier for you to get your appliance repaired. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.